Welcome back, my friends. We're almost at the end of your half hour of fun that I promised you. But before that, I'm now going to take you into the world of true college competition, organized by Radio Mirchi. Here's a big look at the fashionable finale. Radio Mirchi and Tata Docomo hosted a college cultural fest, Campus Wildfire, that took competition to a whole new level. This was the grand finale of the two-day event with over 20 colleges battling it out to win the trophy. Good, because as you know, inter-college events are a big draw, and especially when you have a championship trophy out there going out, so everybody wants to win. It's their college pride at stake. So it's been very, very good, and I must say that some of the team's performance has been really awesome. I mean, almost at a professional level. In fact, we've had some celebrity judges, and they were saying that, you know, the kind of group dance and choreography that they're doing is almost better than what you do see in the movies nowadays. So to that extent, yes, we're very, very surprised and very happy with the level of competitiveness that has come out here. And we've had 2 or 3 events like the RJ Hunt and, you know, the dance competitions, and we had a band hunt prelim, which we did outside because normally registration for these events are really huge, and it's been astounding. We had about 300-400 participants per event, and then the final participants were the ones who performed here right now. Reaching the finals were 3 colleges, SRM, NIFT and Loyola. The closing event that decided their fate was the glamorous fashion show where each team had to be as creative as possible with their sequences in a span of 8 short minutes.
We were just here to have fun and rock this stage all together. We danced, although we didn't win a prize, but I know we gave our personal best, so we're happy about that. The next event we're coming through is Ramp Walk. I am quite confident about the fact that we win this. And obviously loads of practice, hard work. See, we have 4 themes basically in the Ramp Walk. It's Rockstar, it's Executive Look, the Prom Night and Funky. So you'll get to see loads of variations and nice people all together.
SRM University fought hard in spite of tough competition to win the colourful fashion round.
Spoken to the other groups, so I can't really comment on that, but as of now our collection is a creative juxtaposition of all party wear that we Niftians have created the course of our projects, our term projects, and you know, and finale garments and stuff. So it's just we just kind of had a last minute, you know, notification of this, so we just picked up whatever we had created, the best of all, and just accessorized them as creative a manner as possible, and now this is how we are.
Campus Wildfire was the perfect platform for students to showcase their talents across various categories. As I stood amongst those students, I really felt like I was back in college again, cheering and hooting for my teammates. Well, that's all I have for you on Shift Focus. But do join me next Thursday as Chennai's month of December seems to be packed with the most colorful displays. If you have a thought or two about the show, do mail into feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. I'll be back as always with the best of entertainment. Until next time, I'm Natasha saying goodbye.